Faster. Forward. Fearless.
So sprint here in Assen. Marc Marquez up 2 places from 5th. Binder up 3 places from 9th to 6th. Excellent first lap for the South African. Late Spargo, the loser on that first lap.
Is he going to send it to the inside of the chicane? He certainly is. A late Spargo going to the inside of Brad Binder. We've seen that one before, haven't we?
Pecco Bagnaia, that's a huge crash late on Saturday morning. P1 in qualifying, and he's P1 in the TSO sprint here. Pecco Bagnaia.
This could well be the easiest podium Bastianini's taken in quite some time, as they were all looking at...
As right on cue, and Bastianini flings more Dutch delight, it's more Dutch dominance for Pecco Bagnaia as he...